personal mo naman, syempre, we all know, parang you had a breakup, diba? Nakatulong din ba sa'yo?
Well, matagal naman na kasi, and sabi ko naman din na this year, I'm really going to work. Come na with or without breakup. So parang I really need to work simply because it's my 10th year. Sabi ko nga, it's my 10th film for my 10th year. So yeah. So sabi ko, I really need to go back to my strength and where the people embraced me before, which is movie, which is TV. That's why I'm doing all of it.
Talagang ng BBS din, di ba? Na mas may mga James Wood na, may mga Enrique, may mga ganyan, di ba? Na may panghinaya.
Wala. Because during that 2 years when I was on break, hindi ko rin kasi gusto. Yeah. Hindi ko rin talaga gusto. That's why I ventured into hosting and into album. Simply because that's what I really love during that time. And ayoko gumawa ng isang proyekto na hindi naman nandun yung puso ko talaga buo. So sabi ko nga, hindi ko pwedeng isisi sa ibang factor. Isisisi ko siya sa sarili ko. Hindi sa akin disappointment yung 2 years na ginawa kong break. It's more of a breather to me. Kasi kung papansin, na-drain ako, di ba? Kasi nga sunod-sunod yung proyekto ko ng time na yun. Nagpipelikula, tapos nagsusok. So parang hindi na ako ganun kasi sa ginagawa ko. I need that 2 years. So, hindi rin ako na-bother na may mga pumapasok na bago. Simply because I know what I can do.
Yeah. So, ngayon, anong enchong ang makikita namin? After 2 years of break, sabi mo.
I think this is darker. I know it's comedy, I know it's horror, I know it's a love story, but I think it's the most dark character that I've done so far. And sinasabi ko nga...
When you mean dark, with this movie?
Siyempre, pumapatay ka ng tao, di ba? Siyempre, pag pumapatay ka ng tao, there's something in you. So, yun. Yung transition na yun.
Pwede naman ilipat ng dali. Psychotic ka ba? Paano ba? Well, it's comedy eh.
Zombie. I think that's the closest character that I can refer to.